The figure above shows the curve C with the equation y is equal to 5 plus 4x minus x squared, intersected by horizontal straight lines with equations y is equal to 5 and 8. Calculate the exact area of the shaded region bounded by the curve in the two straight lines. So, to do this, the first thing that we want to work out is the coordinates for these points here. So where the two lines intersect with the curve. And to do that, let's start with the y is equal to 8. We just solve these two equations simultaneously. So replace the y that we have here with 8. And then we end up with 8 is equal to 5 plus 4x minus x squared. I'll bring everything to the left. And then we end up with this. Factorize two things that times to give 3 and add to give minus 4. And then the two solutions would be x is 1 and x is 3. So this is 1 and this is 3. Then we can use the symmetry of the graph to work out what the other two purple points are. So we can see from the graph that this is the y-intercept. But just to make sure, if we look at the curve that we have here, if x were equal to 0, then yes, y would equal to 5. So this curve does cross the y-axis when y is equal to 5, which is at the same place where the line y is equal to 5 crosses the y-axis. So then we can use the symmetry of the graph. If this point is 1 away from this line here, then this point should also be 1 away from this line here, meaning that this coordinate is 4. Okay, so now what we can do is we can integrate the curve between 0 and 1. Integrating the curve between 0 and 1 would give us this area here. So integrate this, we get 5x plus 2x squared minus x cubed over 3. Limits of 1 and 0, so basically put in 1. We end up with 5 plus 2 minus a third, which is equal to 20 over 3. Okay, so 20 over 3, again, is this area here. If we take away the area of this rectangle here, so the base of this is 1, the height is going to be 5. So 1 times 5, area of this is 5. If we do 20 over 3 minus 5, which would give us 5 over 3, that's the area for this little bit here. And again, because of the symmetry of the shape, that area there, I'll call it 1, is equal to area 3. So area 1 is equal to area 3. So this is equal to 1, which is equal to 3. Okay, so then we want to work out the whole shaded region, so we need to work out what area 2 is as well. That is simply a rectangle. The base of that rectangle is 2. Difference of these two coordinates is 2. And the height difference of these two would be 3. So 2 by 3, 2 times 3 is just 6. So this is area 2. And then we just add up the three areas. So 1 plus 2 plus 3, the area is 1 plus 2 plus 3. That would be 5 over 3 times 2, which is the area 1 plus area 3. And then add area 2. This is 10 over 3 plus 6, which is 28 over 3. And that would be the final answer.